All my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov, and today I prepared for you the new set of gel nails where we'll be creating gold style nail design, and my brother Andrew helps me doing this amazing set of gel nails. So let's get started. Andrew Teddybear is removing the old gel. In this video, I'm going to show you the perfect tones of sculpting mix gel. Andrew prefers working with the classic tone of the sculpting mix gel. The classic light is more liquid. It's ideal for applying the base coat. Because it's liquid enough and it penetrates perfectly into the depth of the nail plate. The classic tone suits to every client, every type of skin. It looks beautiful. That's why Andrew likes using this tone. In many of videos you can see that Andrew works exactly with this tone. But you can guys try other tones. They are very popular. For example, the unicorn milk tone. It's soft, very soft, pinkish tone. It's practically white, but it has the pinkish tone. I adore this color. And of course the dress code nude tone, it's nude, light, suitable for the business dress, and it looks perfect, beautiful and stylish. One of the most stylish tones, the dress code nude. The caramel tone is suitable for tanned skin. It looks beautiful with tanned nails. I also enjoy this tone. And the next tone is Barbie. This is the vibrant pink tone, and clients enjoy this fantastic tone of camouflage gel. I already told about the classic light tone. It's the same color like classic, but more transparent. It's perfect for also aligning of the nail plate, and it looks very natural. We have also the milky tone. It's the same like Baby Boomer. Baby Boomer is when the tone is mixed with a clear gel, so it's semi-transparent white tone, which looks very natural on the nail plate, and so soft and elegant. This is one of the most stylish tones, and it's very easy to create the Baby Boomer effect of nails. I also enjoy this amazing tone. So guys, you can order all these fantastic gel products on shapeofnail.com. Now it's the best price, $12 for the big container. Soon will be restocked, but the prices will be increased. That's why it's better to order them, because of taxes we forced to increase prices. That's why you can order limited collection of the sculpting mix gel with this lowest price than ever on sculpting mix gel, and also with free shipping. So guys, what do you think about this nail design? I think that's beautiful. If you like these nails, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to us. See you tomorrow. Bye.